is inside Brandon. I'm a course instructor for graphics designing with Photoshop and Nutrascope.com. Photoshop is a powerful software tool that is used to create, edit, manipulate images and designs. The course is broken down into beginner, intermediate, and advanced. That means even somebody that does not have any knowledge in tech can start the course and still be able to do it. The tools required for this course is the Adobe Photoshop software and a computer that is going to have at least an 8 GB of RAM, 2 GB of graphics card, and at least 4 GB free hard drive storage. So after studying this course, you are expected to be able to understand the user interface of Photoshop. You'll also be able to create stunning visuals as well as be able to market your designs to companies and the internet as well. So the pros for this course is the skills are highly sorted by various companies like Nutrascope and other companies not only in Cameroon but out of the world. And as for the cons, this course can be challenging for new users because the interface for Photoshop can be a little bit complicated, but it requires practice and eventually everyone can get it. So the use cases for this course include enhancing and restoring of images for personal and professional use, creating logos, brochures, and digital artworks, as well as designing banners, posters, and content for social media. So the gig economy for this course, the services after mastering the course include freelancing on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, setting of custom designs and templates which you can sell, as well as building profiles and portfolios. The additional skills that you can gain after studying this course can include studying Adobe Illustrator for vector graphics, equally web designs for web projects, and video editing using Premiere Pro.